Welcome back to the channel.
I managed to screw this video up. The microphone wasn't working and the camera gets zoomed in at the end, so you just get to see a wee bit of my face and a wee bit of the tank. Hopefully you can persevere.
For all 13 of you at this point who've subscribed, thank you very much. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It'll spur me on to keep making videos about this journey. The last video we did the water change, and then we put the new corals in. So we added in this rock here, put the corals on the frag rack, which fell down and was just falling down all the time, so I had to just give up on that and put the corals in the tank. So we've got the zoas here. I'm just going to give it a wee clean. So we've got the zoas here, which are opening up, they're looking fine. People eater, the Ceratopora there, which I never used this stuff to put them on. I used super glue instead, and that was a bloody mess. I was holding it upside down, putting the super. I should have probably recorded it, but I was just trying to get it done. It looks like it's not fragile. It looks like a hard branch or something, but the bits just flake off of it. Not flake, but they crack if you look at it the wrong way. So I lost a couple of bits of that. The frag plug is still down the back there. I need to get like a pair of tweezers or something to get stuff out. I don't like digging about in there. I managed to get it stuck there, and it's looking alright, but I did rip a few of the polyps off because the glue like ran down it, and I had to peel the glue off of it. A bit of a nightmare. So I've just put that here, a nice bit of space to grow in, and there's nothing really there to interrupt it or sting it or anything like that, and there's plenty flow there. And the Montipora, again, I don't know if you can see, I'll bring you over. See, it's cracked. When I was trying to get that off the frag plug, it cracked and broke in half, which I don't know if that's normal or what, but you can see all the glue sticking out of it there where it sort of got a bit messed up. Because it's kind of hard. People say use the super glue because it works, and it does work, but it kind of goes everywhere, I find. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let me know if you've got any tips on how to glue things, because that's something I do struggle with. And I stuck that rock with an elephant ear. Still don't know if it's an elephant ear, but I stuck it there with the glue as well on top of that other rock. So now we're just sort of wait and see how they do. And I mean, it's been a couple of days since I stuck them here, and you can see the polyps are all opening up on the Ceratopora ceria. Yeah, that is it. And this is still looking very green as well, which is good. Nothing's browned out or got upset yet. This other coral, zoas, here. He's reaching up big time for the light, that guy. I don't know what kind of zoa that is. We call it the glitch, because it kind of looks a bit glitchy, just with the colours. And there's the people eaters there. One of them's closed up, but they're all looking pretty happy. I have looked at the dinos actually under a microscope, and I can't remember what it's called. Something like osteoporosis, but it's not that. It's ost something, allegedly. And apparently they live in the sand bed, but obviously that's not in the sand bed. I don't really understand too much about dinos, so maybe I'll try taking the sand bed out. I quite like this bit down here where there's no sand, so maybe we'll see what happens if you just take the sand bed out. But that's a big job. They are looking a bit better since they switched back to natural seawater, so maybe just persevere just now with that and see how we get on. See, the GSPs somehow managed to get across over onto that rock. I don't know how it managed to get a wee bit over there, but the GSP's looking good. These little mushrooms here have come back up pretty good. They almost died out, but they've come back. They're pretty happy now. There's some of the glue. It just goes everywhere, and it turns stringy really quickly in the salt water. But the good thing is when you get it on your fingers in the salt water, it comes off really almost like PVA glue. It's quite satisfying, but a bit annoying. Again, thank you for watching. Please like the video and leave a comment. And if you're not already, please subscribe. And thank you. I'll see you next Monday.